Are you tired of your fridge just not cooling quite right? It just can't seem to get down to temperature. Sitting at about 40 degrees, it really should be colder. Well, let me show you one possible scenario of why your fridge might not be acting so well. Check this out. All you need to do when you have a situation like that is, well, just take care of the issue. And in this case, this condenser is really, really, really dirty. So take an air compressor and fix it. There we go. Now, there is a lot more cleaning needed there, but it's gonna be a lot better now.